Hey team, what is up? I just want to hop on really quick and give you guys the answer to the most asked question that I received, and I actually do see this question quite a lot as well. And that is going to be, if you are training, strength training and running in the same day, how should you split that up? And my best answer for that is you guys should actually just split them up. So in the morning, if you're going to weight train, then I would just wait until the evening to run. Or if you're going to run in the morning, do the evening for weight training. If you guys do not like that, you don't have time at the end of your day, then what I personally used to do when I first started my journey is I would go in the gym and I would do my stretching, and then I used my running as kind of a warm-up. So I would just go in there, run anywhere from 1 to 2 miles, and that was my warm-up, and then I would just go into weight training. I definitely would not at all recommend you guys to weight train and then run, because it doesn't matter what you're lifting, your legs, upper body, doesn't matter. You're not going to want to just get off of a heavy weight session and then go smash right into running. No one ever wants to do that. So yes, that is my best answer. Split them up morning and evening. If that doesn't work out for you, then always run first. I hope that helped you guys. If you like this video, comment below like what you'd like to see more of, any more questions you have. And then yeah, just subscribe to my channel and come work out with me. It'd be so cool. So yeah, thanks so much you guys. Bye.